guitars and ukuleles. This is a Selmer, which is also called a grand tenor. Beautiful instrument with spalted maple segmented rosette, a Sitka spruce top, and a sunburst maple, highly figured maple with dust. Back and sides and cutaway. Honduran mahogany neck, matching maple veneer on the back and the front. Ebony fingerboard with a Stauffer style fingerboard end and a square-ish sculpted heel. Not square, it's flat faceted. Oval sound hole, no sound port on this one. And Gotoh UPTL tuners. Really long notes, long sustain. I'm not playing a song, by the way, I'm just making this up. I'm trying to play notes and combinations of notes over the fingerboard. Sound. So this is a tenor scale length from the nut to the saddle, but it's the width of the lower bout is a baritone, and it's a tenor length from here to here. So it's kind of got a big butt. So this shape goes in a baritone case. Some people call this kind of shape, this size of shape, a jumbo or a jumbo tenor or something like that. This also works with a 19-inch scale, but whatever configuration, it's a really nice shape, a really nice sound. nice. Kind of what I was playing, but just sped up. One thing I'm not very good at is playing like traditional Hawaiian stuff, and I don't really want to play like this too much because I don't want to scratch it. So this is going to Japan, to Basis Records. It's number 74 and it is beautiful. Not because I made it, just because nature made that. And the cutaway, the purfling is mited everywhere, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did I get all that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, this is a beautiful instrument. I hope it goes to somebody special. Thank you very much.